In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation email in Mailerlite. By the end, you'll have a fully working automated email that sends itself whenever a subscriber takes a specific action, like joining your list or filling out a form. First, log into your Mailerlite account and head over to the Automations section. On the left-hand sidebar of your dashboard, look for the icon that looks like recycling arrows or a loop. Click that, and then choose either Create Workflow or New Automation, depending on what your account shows. This is where every automated sequence begins. Next, you'll be asked to name your workflow. Don't skip this or leave a generic name. Pick something clear and descriptive so you can easily recognize it later, especially if you create more automations in the future. For example, you might call it Welcome Series ebook if this is for people who download a lead magnet. Now it's time to choose a trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. Mailerlite gives you several options. A common one is when a subscriber joins a group, which is perfect for sending a welcome email to new subscribers on your main list. You can also use when a subscriber clicks a link to follow up with people who showed interest in a specific topic, or when a subscriber completes a form if you want to respond automatically after someone fills out a sign-up or contact form. Pick the trigger that best matches the goal of your automation and confirm your selection. Once your trigger is set, you'll add your first step. Click the plus icon in the workflow builder and choose the email action. This tells Mailerlite that when the trigger happens, the next thing should be sending an email. You'll now set the email details. Enter an internal name so you can recognize this email inside your account. Then add the subject line your subscribers will see, along with the sender name and email address. Make sure these look trustworthy and consistent with your brand. Click Design Email to open the editor. You can choose a pre-built template or start from scratch. Use the drag and drop tools to add text, images, buttons, and links. Keep your message clear and focused on the action you want subscribers to take. If you want to build a more advanced sequence, click the plus icon again to add more steps. You can add a delay to wait a certain amount of time, such as 24 hours, before sending the next email. You can add a condition to create different paths based on whether someone clicked a link or took another action. And you can add actions to move subscribers into different groups or segments as they progress. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and toggle the workflow from off to on. Once it's switched on, your automation is live and Mailerlite will start sending emails automatically whenever the trigger is met.